Okay guys, so today this episode is about how to open the trunk opener switch for Nissan Patrol. This switch. Okay, so before you open it, you have to remove this. You have to remove this cover here. This one you have to take it off. Okay, but before you can take this one off, you have to remove this cover here. You see this cover? You have to take it off, and you get access to this bolt. It's having 8 bolts inside. As you can see, there's 8 bolts here, and it's about 4. Let me zoom it. Okay, this is the bolt over there. It's 8 bolts, 8 nuts. So you have to take it off. It's 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and this one, 2, 3. One is here also. Okay, and this one 4. So after you lose that bolt, then you force it. You have to force it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so after you force it, then you open. Then you remove this one like this. You remove the fish. Okay. Okay, then you make sure you get some screwdriver like this. Because I'm using my one hand to hold the phone, that's why. Okay. Then you use it. Okay, so this is the old one. This is the old one here. So we get our new one here. And you have to face it back. And you have to use the same process to make sure everything is well fixed. Okay, so this is our new one here, and we are going to fix it. Okay. Their faces are Okay, so actually I made my video for auto technicians, but I will advise customers or any driver or any car owner to subscribe to my channel, because it is good to learn. When you have idea about your vehicle, it helps you, the car owner, to save money, because some of the upcoming technicians, they don't have enough idea about this kind of new vehicles that are coming now. So when you, the customer, know much about your vehicle, it helps you to save money, and it helps you to avoid damage to your car, because there are some kind of spare parts. It is very difficult to get. Okay, so you have to subscribe to my channel. Any video I post, you will learn something from it. So when you send your car to a workshop, you know what you are going to do, and you know what the technician is supposed to do. Okay, so thank you for watching, and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you, guys.